welcome to my channel. Welcome to a Stitch Fix Day. I'm so happy that you are visiting my channel to see what's inside this box, this beat up box. I have a feeling that the inside of my box is going to look much better than the outside of my box. So if you want to see what I got in my Stitch Fix, stick around. Hey, if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm so glad that you are visiting. I hope that you will come back. Subscribe, tap the bell, and join me for more videos. My videos are all about women's clothing. I love to shop for clothing. I love to put outfits together. So I make videos about everything I need to do exactly that. I hope that you will subscribe and join me. Stitch Fix is a subscription style service and I love it. My closet is filled with clothes that I have purchased through Stitch Fix. So I just filled out a style profile. I joined Stitch Fix. I am a Stitch Fix member. And then they pair me with a stylist. And since I have begun Stitch Fix, I have had many stylists. And that stylist will pick out 5 pieces for me and send a box to my house with 5 pieces for me to try on at home. It's great. I really enjoy trying the clothing in the comfort of my home, and I can share it with you that way. And then I get your opinions and I get my husband's opinion, and sometimes I need a day or two to sleep on it and decide what I'm going to keep. There's normally a $20 styling fee with Stitch Fix. I have purchased an annual style pass, so I get a lot of Stitch Fixes. So if you enjoy Stitch Fix videos, you need to subscribe. If you'd like more information about Stitch Fix, I have left everything you need to know in the description bar below, as well as a referral link. It's my referral link, and if you use my referral link, you will get $25 credit off your first fix, and you don't have to pay the styling fee. So you start off with credit, and in return, Stitch Fix does offer me a little credit when you use my link. So thank you to everyone that has used my link. You really make it much easier for me to make these videos and also to enjoy some Stitch Fix clothing. Okay, time to get into the box. I'm able to put in requests to my stylist with Stitch Fix, and I'm not real good about doing that. It's like, just send me what you think I might like. But I did put in a request for this box, so I'm kind of anxious to see if my stylist was able to find the items I'm looking for. I asked her to look for some olive-colored denim and an olive-colored cardigan. I don't have either of those pieces. And I was thinking about it after I put in the request. I thought those are really probably fall pieces. Maybe they're not really springtime pieces. I still want them. I did not revoke my request, so let's see if they're in here. Look at this. My box is so beat up, but okay, everything looks good inside. I do have a return mailer. If there's anything in here that I don't want to keep, I just put it in this bag and drop it off at the post office. Really very easy. I also have an envelope, and this has a note from my stylist, and it also has an invoice. There's also some style cards, and my stylist will make suggestions on different ways that I could style the clothing that she sent for me. See this? Do you know what this is? This is jewels. Okay, it makes a little bit of noise, but yeah, that's some Stitch Fix jewelry. And here is my bundle. Okay, I don't know, let's see, let's check out this side. So some blues and some more mustard. Okay, it looks like she delivered. That looks like olive denim. Let's check it out. Okay, on the very top is this super sheer blouse. This is Fun to Fun Aletta lattice detail blouse. Lattice? Oh, okay, see right there. Can you see that lattice detail? That's pretty. I like that. Now this is super duper see-through, but it's cream colored, mustard color, and navy. It does have a rounded hemline. It's got, I think, a 3/4 sleeve. That's elastic there. This is very pretty. It's very sheer. So this is a piece that probably needs a cami underneath it. I'm seeing a navy blue tank top, I think, but I kind of like this now that I have it out of the box. The next piece is a really pretty blue. This is West Key. The West Key Julienne tie front cuffed sleeve blouse in cobalt, size medium, And this is what it looks like. So it's a cobalt blue with the cream colored floral on it. And oh, check it out. It does have a tie front. I have a West Key tie front top. The design on it, the fit on it is like a perfect fit for me. So I'm excited about this piece. We do have the cuff sleeve there. It looks like a short sleeve blouse and crew neck. I like this one. Okay, again, another sheer piece. I think we have a cardigan and it appears to be, oh my goodness. Oh, we have a hooded cardigan. Okay, this is interesting. Who are we? Who are we? Who are you? Cotton Emporium. This is the Cotton Emporium Robin hooded cardigan in olive. And this is a really dark colored olive. And it has a feel of polyester, not a cotton. It is lightweight. There are no pockets. What does the hem look like? Okay, it looks like a pretty even hem. This looks promising. It does have a hood. I don't know how that is going to look, but yes, I am so glad she delivered on the cardigan. And the last piece of clothing is a pair of olive. Can you see that? I don't know if the camera is picking it up. Sometimes the camera makes things look like they're gray, but this is truly an olive colored pant. And okay, it's Lakeview denim, and they are in my size. I just got some Lakeview denim, my red denim, from my girlfriend, and they were a little bit too big, so I just belt them and wear them anyway. I really like them. Yeah, I'm happy about these. Oh, these look more like they're a jegging. They don't have working pockets in the front, but the back pockets are working, and these look like they're a skinny. Okay, this looks pretty good. Oh. We have jewelry. We have jewelry. Let's look at the jewelry. These are by Georgiana. The Chloe small stud earrings in gold. Okay. Oh, wow. They weren't kidding when they said small. These are little bitty gold stud earrings. That's a cute little box. Live, love, layer. There's a bunch of information inside the box. That's cute. I like this bag. That is really cute. But guys, these earrings look really small. So these are very pretty. The hammered gold look. They just look teeny tiny small, like little girl small. And I do on occasion wear little earrings, but normally I don't because of my hair, because I have a lot of hair around my ears. I like to wear an earring that you can see. So I don't know if these are going to work. The total price of this fix is $223. If I keep everything, I can get the 25% discount, which is $55.75, bringing the total down to $167.25. So that's a little bit higher than my previous couple fixes. Everything is pretty inexpensive. The lowest price is $35 and the most expensive is $58. So my stylist did a great job in sticking with my price points. I'm not really feeling this fix. I'll show you everything and you can see what I mean. I'll take credit for that because I think I get in the way. I think when I start making requests of my stylist and don't let them do what they do, then things don't always turn out as well. Let me show you everything and see what you think about the pieces that I received in this fix. Let's start with the earrings, the Georgiana Chloe small stud earrings in gold. These are just really, really small earrings. These are $35. I think that's really expensive. These are gold plated. They're actually 18 karat gold plated. They're just so little. I think the packaging is beautiful. I love the presentation on these. I just don't think this is an earring that I will really reach for. If they were just the size of a dime, I might consider it, but they're very, very small. And for that reason, I'm going to send these back. Next up is the denim. I am so happy that my stylist sent me exactly what I was looking for or what I thought I was looking for. This box felt like fall to me. And she mentioned in her comments that she sent me a spring box, and I requested this. And I kind of feel bad about it because now that it's here, I'm wanting brighter colors than olive, and I don't have this. And I know I can wear it year round. I mean, there's no rules that you have to wear olive in the fall. I just don't know if I really like these. I have one other pair of Lakeview denim. They're red. They are in one size larger and they fit better. Even though the waist is too big, they fit better in the booty and the thighs. And I felt like these were just a little bit tight. They're only $58. That's a really good price. I just wasn't completely sold on these. What do you guys think about them? Does anyone know a great brand of colored denim, specifically for curvy girls? If you know, please let me know, because I don't think these are the ones for me. I wore them for the entire try-on to see if I would feel more comfortable after a little wear, and I didn't. So these are going back with the earrings. The West Key top, this is the top I was so excited to try on. You guys check it out in the try-on. Does it look weird if I move my arms? And I just think maybe I am too busty for this top. I like tie front tops. They are really tough to get right. And West Key nailed it on the first one. I have a black and white striped one and it was great. So I had high hopes for this blouse. It's a polyester blouse. I just wasn't crazy about the fit. I think the length was okay, but the tie placement was very, very awkward for me. And I know some of you are going to say, don't raise your arms, but let's face it, we do raise our arms even just a little bit while we're wearing our clothing. I really, really wanted to like this one, but it felt very awkward on my body. Next up is the Fun to Fun, the Aletta lattice detail blouse. I think the lattice just gets lost in the print. I think it's pretty, but you just don't really notice it. Did you notice it? What do you think about it? Again, this was another awkward fit on me. The elastic is a little bit too big for my arm where it fits, so I had to push it up. If I let the sleeves hang all the way down, I couldn't move my arms. I didn't have full range of motion. So again, this was just another strange fitting top for me. I like the colors on this and I like the print on this. This is 100% polyester, but it felt like 100% static cling. It was very, very clingy. This is a crepey-like fabric. Am I being too hard here? It's like, I feel like I'm just going to a very negative place. I was so hopeful for all of these clothing and yet nothing's really working. Will the cardigan work? Let me show you the cardigan. Okay, let's talk about the cardigan, the Cotton Emporium cardigan. It has zero cotton in it. Yeah, this is a rayon spandex blend. I told you it felt like a polyester. It really does, but that's what the blend is. I don't mind the way the fabric feels at all. I wish this cardigan had pockets in it. It has a really super casual vibe to it, and that's why I wish they had equipped it with pockets, because when you're casual, you have your hands in your pockets, right? It's a little bit darker, I think, than I was hoping for. My stylist didn't know that, but I want to ask you, what do you think about these finishes, the rolled finishes? To me, that looks very worn, and that is definitely a style, and it's a style choice. And I don't think that this could really be worn like in a work environment. It just looks very casual, like a piece that you would wear around the house or lounge in. And I think I was hoping to get like a classic type cardigan that I could wear for multi-purposes. So this one is only $44, and this is probably my favorite piece in the entire box. And I asked my stylist to send it, and I feel like I should buy something, and I shouldn't feel that way because nothing in this box is something that I can't live without. You guys know, if you follow me, you know when I have to have a piece, and nothing in here feels like I can't live without it. I don't know what to do. I've been trying so hard to be very particular about what I add to my wardrobe, and right now, honestly, I feel like I should buy something because I was the one that requested it. You guys, let me know. Please let me know your feelings on this fix. Was there any piece here that you think was a standout piece? Was there any piece here that you would send back if you received it? We'll wait to hear your thoughts on this fix before I do anything. With Stitch Fix, I have 3 days, so there's plenty of time for me to think it over, get your feedback, and check out. I'll have another fix coming very soon, and I'm gonna stay out of it. That's what I'm gonna do. No requests from me, at least not now. Could I get you to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it? Thank you very much for joining me once again. Be certain to subscribe before you leave. I'll have another video just a couple days. Be on the lookout for that one. Until we meet again, blessings to all of you.